If you have children to come with you, this is absolutely the place to be. Even me, my God, I'm a child. Ice skating, ice biking, chair sledge, and ice swimming at last. Zhuanfeng is in Beijing on the ice. Good day, welcome back to Zhuanfeng. This is a series of Beijing winter activities. Ice and snow. I'm in the center of Beijing, next to the Forbidden City. Here is the Shishahai ice rink. But you can see people actually taking their time going around here and there. But the main activity is on the ice. Let's go. Beijing is well known for its rich history and culture. But these years, Zhuanfeng sent our best presenter in the team to show you the other side of the capital in the winter time. We camp on ice, hike along a stream, skate next to the ancient palace, walk in a gorge, and ski on hollow ground, home to the Winter Olympic Games. Follow us on this new adventure to find out what you can do in Beijing in winter. In this series, I flew from Hong Kong to Beijing. Today I'm going to Shishahai area, which is in the heart of Beijing. The Shishahai ice rink is conveniently located in Xicheng district, central Beijing, and is open 7 days a week from 9 to 17:30 and used to operate around 3 months in the 80s, but the warmer winter these past years shortened it to about 40 days. The venue rents out to ice skates, but you can bring your own as well. A weekday ticket costs 30 RMB per person and 40 RMB over the weekend and on holidays. It offers all kinds of ice entertainment activities for all ages.
你好，我来租一对鞋。
你有30吗？一会儿你有零钱没？
多大码
43。
等我拿小票。
哎，成。
这张票啊，
票
一定要拿好。隔壁的那个。
Alright, I just got my shoes, gonna do a bit of fitting here. So apparently you have to use WeChat Pay, which I don't have. So I paid cash. It's working. Here at Shishahai Ice Rink, it doesn't matter what your skill level is in ice skating. There are so many people around with varying levels. I haven't done any skating since I was a child. I don't remember how much I remember. Let's see how it goes. With my muscle memory woken up, I'm getting more confident on the ice. Well, it doesn't take me long to get my skating skill back. I can skate. This area is all about ice skating. People are having a blast going fast on the ice at the skate training camp or playing ice hockey. If you are new to ice skating, no worries, there are coaches around. So this is a skate coach. They call it skate coach. So you put 200 RMB as a deposit, then you pay 30 RMB to rent it. Could be fun if you have a kid or someone really at the beginning level. I noticed another section in the ice rink, and I'm intrigued about what's going on at the other side of the fence. It seems so much more fun over there. It's a separate area. Maybe I can switch and go to do more activities. It's a separated rink, open from 9 to 18. To enter it, you need to buy another ticket. A weekday ticket costs 60 RMB per person and 80 RMB over the weekend and on holidays. Inside, you can use the ice bikes and chair sledges for free. Immediately, I get an ice bike and cruise around. Almost have accident. Hey, ice bicycle, human powered. This is so cool. Unbelievable. I love it. Well, that was so much fun. If you have children to come with you, this is absolutely the place to be. There are 2 stands on the ice selling traditional Beijing snacks if you want to get some sugar supply. A few rounds of biking, and it's time to switch to the chair slide. I just found the people are swimming in the icy water, yeah? That gentleman just finished, so I would like to give it a try. Ha! Ice skating is free of charge. Regulars come daily throughout the winter. They are a bunch of very interesting people.
要想不得病，就往水里蹦；要想活得长，冬天别怕凉；要想不吃药，就往水里蹦。
后海中有勇士们过来了。
科学锻炼身体。
这水多凉呢
！1度水1分钟。对。现在这水就是1度水，你非得游5分钟的，那你对身体不有伤害。这科学讲科学。
That's truly amazing. I guess this is my turn now. It was really cold, but so much fun. I would say if you come to Beijing, this is something you have to try. So I have to say bye in this episode. Keep myself warm a little bit. Hold on for a second. If you like the show, like and subscribe our channel. And also you can find all the previous episodes on joanfeng.com. I'm Jack. This is Joan Feng. Thanks, lady. Happy filming.
你好。